my YouTube friends and family. TGIF, happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Before we kick off the weekend, I do want to quickly say thank you to everyone who has been leaving comments. I try to respond to a lot of them, but even if I don't respond to all of them, I do read them and I really appreciate them. I have seen a lot of comments recently that people are looking for part-time jobs, so I posted a poll earlier on my channel under the community page asking specifically if you are interested in part-time positions, what hours are you looking for? Are you only looking for like evening overnight hours because you already have a daytime job? Do you mind a part-time daytime hours Monday through Friday? Let me know down in the comments below or go respond to that poll on my community page. And if you're new here, welcome. We search the internet daily finding the best work from home jobs that are hiring right now, and we share them with everyone on a daily basis. If you want to apply to anything I share, there is a link in the YouTube description box below this video that takes you to a web page that lists all of these and links to get to their application page. But without wasting any more time, first up we have the company MyFitness Pal. If you're in the health, wellness, and fitness arena, if it's one of your passions or interests, this might have been something you've heard of before. MyFitness Pal runs a food diary tracking app where you can also track things like your exercise done for the day, your water intake. It's just a tracking your nutrition app. They do have 50 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a CRM operations specialist. This is remote for the United States. And this one is going to require some technical knowledge. They're looking for somebody to help build their library of assets needed for their campaigns, like landing pages for websites, emails, audience segmentation, and test setup. So you'll help create and deploy new marketing campaigns, especially A/B tests to see which campaigns do better. You'll help with the personalization, landing page testing, and any other conversion rate optimization experiments that they do. So you'll be developing complex email campaigns using HTML coding. So you are going to do quality assurance using email to ensure that all emails render correctly on all devices, whether they have like an Android or an iPhone. So they are looking for somebody who has 3 to 5 years of working with customer engagement platforms, someone who has strong HTML skills, someone who's familiar with design tools like Figma, strong attention to detail, and is results oriented. Pay for this position is anywhere from $70,000 a year all the way up to $108,000 a year. Moving right along, though, if you're not a technical person, don't worry, neither am I. Next up, we have the company Cotiviti. They have 1,300 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a payments accuracy specialist, so I did have to throw some healthcare in this video of random work from home job leads. I normally try to condense them all into some kind of category, but it's Friday. We have a lot of randomness, so if you're looking for healthcare, this one might be for you. You're basically going to be making sure the payments are correct. So you'll solve problems by identifying any errors and overpayments for their healthcare clients. Overpayments are when the insurance company or the patient themselves have paid too much on a claim or an invoice. So you're going to use your creativity to help generate new ideas for claim concepts and recovery opportunities, making sure that the computer software systems and technology is up to date. You're going to learn how to use multiple different systems, just achieving excellence and meeting your target team goals. They do prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree. It's not required as long as you have 1 year of relative experience in some kind of healthcare billing, claims, auditing, reimbursement, or if you're a data person, like you love Excel and you can do data analysis. So you do have to use those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel, Outlook. They desire someone who has some kind of healthcare experience, but you got to be self-motivated and driven to succeed. This one pays anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $23 an hour. And real quickly, if you enjoy any of the job leads share, I just want to remind you that you can give me that direct feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But moving right along, we have the company Penumbra. They have 356 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer order specialist, again remote, for the United States. They are looking for somebody to make sure that there are timely responses to general inquiries received from customers through email while providing solutions communicated in a professional manner. So even though you're going to be responding to customers through email a lot, you'll be processing orders that are received in non-phone ways like email and fax. But you will also, with this position, have to be on the phone. So just letting you know that. You'll troubleshoot escalated EDI orders along with making sure any order is complete. So you're going to review these hospital orders received, making sure all required information is accurate for release of the shipments. This means you'll answer incoming calls and be helpful providing any information regarding the orders and shipments to the clients. So you'll back up for all standard order processing submitted through email, fax, phone. You might have to do some scanning or filing of orders, invoices, things like that. Any customer complaints that come through, you'll file those and handle those, escalate those as needed as well. So just making sure the order process goes off smoothly. They only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service. Now, they prefer you to have experience like in some kind of a medical, pharmaceutical industry, but as long as you have 1 year of customer service, they don't require the medical industry experience. You do have to have great communication skills, though. Be able to multitask using that great attention to detail, making sure those orders are excellent and complete and correct. And of course, use computer systems like Microsoft Office. Pay for this one is anywhere from $23.08 an hour all the way up to $33.17 an hour. Now, if you hang tight with me just for a second, we have jobs from Levi, Strauss, and Vimeo. But before we get into those, we have a company called Q-Centrix. They have 150 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a VQI data abstractor. This is going to be a full-time remote position, and I do apologize. Their website runs the text all the way to the edges, so I'll try to get it all in the screen in editing as much as I can, but they're basically looking for somebody to apply clinical knowledge of hospital partners, categorizing, coding, summarizing, interpreting, and calculating registry and case information for patient medical records. So they are really going to be looking for somebody who has some kind of medical credentialing, like a nurse or an RN. So if you're tired of working with patients and you want to move out of that direct patient care into working from home, if you're a nurse or something like that, this might be perfect for you. But you'll ensure quality submission of all data in specialized registries. You'll prioritize, organize, and meet multiple deadlines for multiple tasks and requests. So you'll be multitasking, doing several things at the same time. Just making sure that you're taking data from these medical records, abstracting it, making sure data dictionaries are correct, and processing the information as needed. So they do want somebody who has some kind of data abstraction experience, someone who has experience handling electronic patient records or electronic medical records. You've got to have that Microsoft Office experience. And then, of course, they prefer somebody who is an RN or a nurse. It's not required, but it is really preferred in dealing with the patient medical record information. It does look like that is probably, they're looking more for people who have nurses or direct clinical experience. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $26 an hour all the way up to $33 an hour. And Levi Strauss & Company, the well-known jean company, is hiring someone to work from home. They have 3,500 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote for the United States account associate. As an account associate, you're going to assist the manager with their wholesale accounts in the farm and outdoor channels. You'll have to deliver weekly, monthly, and quarterly selling reports. So you'll have to run reporting, do analyzation of these reports, looking at these tools, and prepare a presentation for the reporting. So you're going to manage samples, maintain in-season and pre-season sample lines for the customers and supporting the customers. Just charged with the pre-season order entry management into the season planned unit maintenance, resolving any order challenges, and collaborating with the customers and the company counterparts, making sure that orders are in ahead of the season. So you're not actually working with individual customers like you and I. You're working with big companies that are buying bulk in wholesale to stock their stores. So maybe like something like Tractor Supply or things like that. They do prefer a bachelor degree. It's not required, though, if you have at least 4 years of work experience. They want somebody who has at least 2 years in some kind of retail or wholesale apparel business. So if you've ever worked in a retail clothing store for at least 2 years, that has you covered there. Of course, you've got to be great with Microsoft Office. And because you're going to be doing the reporting, you've got to be really good with Excel, being able to do advanced formulas like VLOOKUPs and pivot tables, just being able to be a self-starter and seek out opportunities for development. Pay for this position is anywhere from $41,900 a year all the way up to $68,800 a year. And last but certainly not least, we have the company Vimeo. They have 318 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a support specialist. Now, this is either in New York, or U.S. remote. So this is, again, for the United States only. They are looking for somebody to work at least 1 weekend day. They have shifts either Sunday through Thursday or Tuesday through Saturday. But they are looking for somebody to deliver high-quality, timely responses to their support tickets submitted by customers, collaborating with support teammates around the globe, just managing their support ticket queues, troubleshooting any technical issues reported by users as well as staff. You'll also, when you're not helping users troubleshoot their individual issues, you're going to contribute to support-related documentation, processes, and workflows. So if you've ever seen like individual help documentation on websites such as FAQs or things like that, you'll be designing those documents so people can help themselves, just also assisting and tracking and reporting of the customer pain points, feature requests, things like that. Now, I have shared this position with Vimeo on this channel before, but I wanted to reshare. They are only looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer support experience, and they do pay very well. They do prefer somebody who has familiarity with like video technology or technical concepts, because you will be giving like tech support and app support to these customers. So they want somebody who is a quick learner and can work in a fast-paced environment. Pay is anywhere from $53,100 a year all the way up to $81,500 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always leave anything down in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to let me know if you're looking for part-time jobs, or go answer that poll on the community page. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend ahead. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.